All right, so if you're coming to the island, you're gonna cross over the bridge, you're gonna pass by that iconic South Padre Island sign, and you're gonna hit the light, take a right. That's where you're gonna run into Sea Ranch. Locals have been raving about this spot for over 20 years because it has the best seafood in town. This all looks delicious, and after all the times that I've been here to South Padre Island, I haven't been to Sea Ranch, but everyone's been telling me that I need to.
Thank you very much for visiting. Glad to have you. We have a very good variety. We'll start off with our red snapper.
Okay.
This is a red snapper Veracruz. It's a tomato relish with green olive, garlic, capers, and red bell pepper.
Wow.
Probably my favorite dish on the entire menu.
Mmm. Excuse me.
I love it. That is my favorite.
That fish is perfection in itself, and then you add all the extra flavor.
Very nice.
That is a little party on a piece of fish.
That is by far our biggest seller. We go through a lot of red snapper here.
Oh my goodness, I have to go in for another bite.
That's our team mascot. My parents were from Dallas originally, and they wanted to retire. They bought a condo down here. They were here for probably 3 months and got bored and decided to open up a restaurant. And from there, the rest is history. Everything is locally caught, which we pride ourselves in. All of our fish is filleted in-house. We always pride on quality. I think that's the most important thing, is the quality and consistency.
Like you said, the seafood is just, it's fresh. You can't find that anywhere else unless you're right here on the water.
And we're right here on the water. Yes, we are.
I love it. And this has been so great so far, and there's still this whole big platter that we need to dive into. I can't just let it sit there. Go for it.
I'm gonna show you our house specialty, which is an Oyster Rockefeller. It is spinach, bacon,
okay,
a little bit of bacon juice.
Okay.
With a secret house sauce.
Okay.
Baked with a little Parmesan on top.
You said bacon and you said bacon juice.
It is absolutely delicious.
And then you have your greens. You got your greens, so
I
it's
did,
healthy.
yes ma'am. You have to have a little salad every now and then. Our most popular appetizer.
Wow.
Alaskan king crab.
I mean, these are always so much fun.
Yes, they are.
Okay.
Don't be afraid to get a little bit messy.
I'm all about that.
All right, we're in.
Look at this size
We're in.
meat right here. Fresh.
They are absolutely delicious.
Totally worth coming here for.
We have a Maine lobster tail.
Okay.
Pop 'em
Oh
off.
yeah. So good. Oh my goodness. We got one more. It's staring at me. I'm a Texan
steak.
through and through.
All right.
Hand me the meat.
All right, a hand-cut tenderloin.
It really is just melting in my mouth, just falling apart.
That's the way it should be.
Amen. The fact that you have been here for so long just is a testament of your passion and y'all's dedication to the island.
It's a great community, and we're just happy to be a part of it. Salud.
Salud!